this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new mini album. This mini album is going to be using the Secret Garden by Graphic 45 Deluxe Collector's Edition. And I'm also going to be using Best Occasions. You get 20 paper sheets, and they're all pastel colors, and I think they go great with the Secret Garden paper. And I'm only using those as fillers so that I don't use up all of my Secret Garden paper on the first 2 pages. So let's open up our deluxe edition paper pack. Now here we have the Secret Garden Collection chipboard pieces, and they are so gorgeous. Let's do it this way. This one says W.W. Bernard and Company, 1896. Spring. There we go. Those are the chipboard pieces. Then we get this sticker sheet, which is really pretty. I love these stickers here. They're gorgeous. I can't wait to use this paper. This big tag down here. This strip here. And our alphabets. And then some little sayings. Those are pretty. And one of our first sheets are these two here. They're identical. And on the back, more cards. So that's nice. We can cut those up and you can use both sides. Lots of journaling spaces here. Okay, I'll show it to you this way. Our next row. Very pretty. This is 2 sheets, I believe. This is the back and the front. It says Secret Garden on there, with this side being the same color. Pretty. Then we have 2 sheets of this one. These will make nice strips. If you like to use strips, this will be nice. Ooh, look at the front. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is like a checkerboard in blue. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, we could do all kinds of things with this one, right? Little postage stamps there. This one is green. And it looks like it has some cutouts on the other side. There's that. Yep, and some cutouts. Very pretty. And the next one. Pretty. This one is a beautiful dark green. That's gorgeous. Little tiny flowers. Oh, and that's pretty. And we have this pretty purple, which is also strips that we can use. The front. Oh, that's gorgeous. Pretty, pretty. Then we have some more purple. Some more little flowers. They're just a little closer together. And this is gorgeous. Okay. This one says Secret Garden with some script. And then this side, oh wow, a whole sheet of stamps. Wow. So it says Rose, Lily, let's see, Rose, Lily of the Valley, Violet, Daisy, over and over again. So cute. Ooh. And we have this orange. Very pretty. It's so pretty. This is gorgeous right here. Look at that. Love it. And some more orange. Little squares. Oh, and big stamps. Nice. Those are nice. I like those. And our last set of 2, this beautiful floral, and then the secret garden. This would be great on the front of the mini album. We'll see how we can work that in. And then this, of course, is the cover. So that's all of our sheets that we're going to be working with, along with the pastel sheets, which I think is going to fit right in. They're very pastel, not see-through, but very pastel. Then our chipboard. Our book is going to be 6 by 9, but this time it's going to be 6 this way and 9 this way. So this is our book. The spine is 6 by 3, and then of course the sides are 6 by 9. Your inserts, we're going to work on these individually, so they won't go into the book until we've actually done a page. Let's see. I have it written on one of these. Okay. Your inserts are 9 by 5.5. So that's what those are. And, of course, you're going to need all your basics, including glue, scissors, pencil, bone folder. If you don't know what a bone folder is, looks like this. Or you can get one like this. Whatever you want. Tweezers, glue, and tape. And then any embellishments that you like, flowers and buttons and stuff like that. But we have the chipboard, so we can mix that up with the flowers and other embellishments. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know down below, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.